Hello guys, this is Eran from Apple Online Marketing, and today I'm going to teach you how you can create your own opt-in page, and this time it will be an opt-in page with a lead magnet. A lead magnet is something you give away for free. Let's say something like an ebook or like a report. Maybe you decided to write a report on maybe like 5 common mistakes online marketers do that make them fail in their business, or something like that. Whatever. The point is, we're going to create an opt-in page, same as we did before, but this time we're going to have a downloadable ebook or a downloadable file on the thank you page. And I'm going to show you how it's all done inside builderall. Builderall is actually great about this stuff because whether you're a beginner, you don't know how to build your own funnel, they have their own templates for just about everything. So I strongly recommend that you use those templates as a beginner. And I'm going to show you how to do it step by step, beginner friendly, like always. Okay, let's dive in. Okay guys, let's start. So as you know, in order to create an opt-in page, we first need to set up an email list. And in the previous video, we already walked through this. So I'm going to assume that you already saw this video, and if not, I'm going to leave a link down below so you can check it out on how to create your own list. But let's just make sure that we have a list. So in builderall, we'll go to Mailing Boss Autoresponder. We just want to see our lists. You click on Mailing Boss. Let it load for 1 second. Okay. So you see we already have a list that we created for the previous video. And you see the name is Squeeze Page Funnel. Okay, let's go back to Mailing Boss. So as I explained before, we're going to use templates that are built in out of the box, made for you funnels. So we're going to find the one that's suitable for an ebook giveaway. It's called a lead magnet because it's a magnet for leads. Leads will be compelled on giving their emails in order to get this ebook that you made for them. Okay, so let's go to builderalls, drag and drop pixel perfect, go to new websites, and in new websites we have many templates, as you already seen in the previous videos. You have templates about just about any business that you want to promote. Let's say you see here jewelry, paintball guns, real estate, anything. So I'm not gonna browse around here. I'm gonna use the search feature. Let's look for an ebook. Oh, sorry, ebook. Okay, and as you see here, you have under the sales funnels, you have a ebook magnet funnel, which means a lead magnet. Let's select it and click on edit. The edit will send this funnel to the editor. And you should always remember, let's let it load. Okay. You should always remember, if you start working on this, if you want to just, let's say, connect it to your email list, it will automatically give you an error message. Let's do it. Right click. Oh, it didn't. But in any case, before, I think when you click configure, yeah. So it will alert that before you proceed, you need to save this funnel. And saving this funnel actually means it's going to be saved under your sites, your already published sites. So let's go to builderall and see our sites. And here you see I have my sites that we made before, like the capture test and all my funnels that I'm using currently. I have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 funnels. Okay, now let's go back to the editor and just click save. And once you click save for the first time, it will want it asks you for a name you want to give to this funnel. So we're going to call this one lead magnet test 1. Okay, we got the L. No, because it's too long. One moment. I don't know why my keyboard got screwed. Let's call this test 1. Send. Okay, and once we save it, let's go back to the site section to see and refresh the page. Refresh the page, and we should see it here. Yeah, we have it here. And the difference between the colors, it's because this funnel is not yet published. And this funnel, it's clickable. You see, it's a link. So it's because it's already published. You see here in more options, you have unpublished. So that means this funnel is published. So anybody can access it from the internet. And this one is not published. You see, you have this option here to publish. So we don't publish it yet until we finish with it. So let's go back to the editor. Okay, and first thing we do is we need to connect this funnel, connect this form with our email list, right? So that your lead will enter an email and first name. It will automatically be subscribed to your email list. So right-click the form, click configure, and now you have to select your autoresponder. There's a possibility to connect to external autoresponders, but at this point we're going to use the internal already included autoresponder, which it's called the Mailing Boss. And that's what's great about builderall, because the competitors like ClickFunnels, they only have a landing page builder without all the features that I'm showing you here, and of course without an autoresponder. If you want to go and buy an autoresponder, I think the price is about $50 for entry point, and if you want something like 10,000 subscribers or more, you need to pay $170 per month. And so builderall is just great. Okay, so let's select our list. You remember our list was squeeze page funnel. Okay, so that's done. So now we want to replace the image of the ebook. So to replace an image, you just click it. So you go to change image, right click and change image. And what's great about builderall, that it has everything inside it as usual. So it has a bank of pictures, collection of pictures, you see, like stuff out of the box, used like free to use. But in this case, we're going to use our own file. I already uploaded one file. So if you don't have files here, you just click the upload button and you search for it on your computer. But at this point, we're not going to use this because I already uploaded it to builderall. So you see, you click it, there's a check here, it's checked, and I confirm. So that's our image. Maybe you wanna tweak it a little. Let's put it like that. Looks okay. This is actually a cover book that I made. I also made a video regarding how to make a 3D ebook cover. I'm going to share the link for this video also. Okay, so let's change some headlines. Okay, it was a headline. let's make it like get your free ebook again. We're not gonna, it's not so much important now how we write this copy, because copywriting is it's a course by itself. So we'll just add some text here. This book covers blah blah blah. Okay, here you can just write so maybe let's just remove this one, remove this box, stay with this one. Please enter your best email below. Enter your name and best email below. That's actually okay. Let's add something more. Making your own future. Let's say creating. Okay, it's as easy as that. The editor is pretty self-explanatory. It's like I don't know, like editing on like PowerPoint or Word. Very easy. Okay, so once we done with this page, we need to configure this button. What will it happen when your lead is actually opting in? So you right click it. You right click it. 1 second. Okay, you right click it and you select change URL. And in this case, I know there's a page. Okay, let's go and see. Let's go check what is the next page. Click cancel. In this drop down, you can just select the select from a drop down list. These are all the pages that we have in this funnel, and I'm gonna guess that the download page is the next page. So let's go out of this. Okay, right click the button, select change URL, and then we need to select the action. What happens when a person opts in? So we're going to select a page because we already have a page, and it's going to give you a selection of all the pages of this funnel, and we just select the download page. Same as for subscription confirmed. Click it, select page, and select download page from the drop down menu. Confirm. So now we're basically done with this page. Now we want to work on the second page. So switch to the download page like that. Okay, so I see I have to replace the image here as well. Right click it, change image. We'll select the same image, confirm. Give it a little twist as well, maybe the other side, and just play with it as you like. Download your ebook below. Here goes your subline. I don't know, like last copies, I don't know, left, last 3 copies left. Doesn't really matter. Let's leave it like that because we're not going to use it, so I'm just going to leave it for the sake of the training here. And I don't like this. I think it's better like this. Okay, and on this case, this button, it's we want it to be a downloadable book. So for the sake of the test, we're not going to use an actual PDF. We're just going to use an image like a JPG or something. But in order to connect this button with some downloadable file, it's basically same as an image. So you right click it, you go to action, and in the action section you just select the document, and here you have a file search, same as upload. It's about the same. it goes to your computer. Okay, and we have an image here, so we're just going to use it as the same as it was a PDF. If you want to upload your PDF here, just click upload, look for your file here, upload it to builderall. Let's say this is the PDF file. You select it, confirm, and we are done. And don't forget, when you finish editing this funnel, you save it. This save, actually, it doesn't save only this page, it saves all the funnel. One more thing, you should make sure that these pages look responsive. I mean, by responsive, I mean they are suitable for mobile devices. And you see here in the left top corner, you have desktop view and mobile view. So let's click the mobile view, and you see that builderall already has this is a responsive version of the funnel, because all the templates out of the box in builderall, they come on already suitable for mobile devices. So you see, looks very good. I'm just making sure. Let's go check the first page, which is the opt-in page. Please configure the information of the email marketing email. Well, I think we already done that. Let's see, maybe I haven't done it. Yeah, I think I did. Let's save again. Okay, now we're done. Now we're going to test it. Okay, so in order to test this funnel, you remember we still have to publish it, because it's not published, it's not accessible by the internet. So I go to my site page, I go to more options and publish. And you see, as it's published, it turns blue and it turns clickable, it becomes a link. And you can just click it, and this is our funnel. Okay, so let's do a small test. So first, before we test it, let's go back to Mailing Boss just to make sure. Mailing Boss, this is our list, right? I'll refresh the page. So we see we have no subscribers here. You see 0 subscribers. So now we go back to our funnel, and let's just put in an email. A name, that's my name, get distance now. Okay, it took us to the next page, and now we're going to click on download. You see, because it's an image, so it automatically opens like that. But if it would be a PDF or an MP3 file or a video or something like that, it will just start downloading. So that's it, guys. If you like this video, please hit the like button below. It helps me know if you like it, and I can make some more. If you're new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you won't miss on new content videos that I upload daily. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave a comment on the comment section below. And I hope you enjoyed this movie, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.